Hey guys, I am coming back. I'm gonna install these I don't know what they're called. They're for your steering, they're for your front end tie rods. I don't know, well, I'll just call them that. Anyways, super easy to fix, replace. You got an Allen key right there, and then it's a 14 millimeter on the nut side. So I don't know if you can see that. Pretty much put the 14 on, get the Allen key in, then the Allen key holds it while you loosen it. I don't know if I could do it with one hand. So it's just going to move and hit right into it. Make sure it's tight. Just that easy, and then repeat it for the bottom. I'll get to that point, I'll have it off and I'll show you. Here they're out side by side. See, the boot is completely torn. It's cracked, torn, it's all just mangled. So, got the new one. Just pretty much go in repeat motion and then go to the other side. Alright. There it is installed. So, like I said, way easy. Sometimes you may have to put some pressure on this, depending on how you jack your car. It could bind it and it could be lifting up way too high and you can't fit it on, so you may have to put a pry bar in, push it down to line these up to get them to seat. But where I have it jacked right there, right underneath the control arm, it was actually very loose, just came off. As you can tell in the video, like, it was pretty loose as I was loosening it up. So anyways,